I only wish I knew about it sooner because I may have looked even 5 years younger than I do now. Hello my friends, I'm coming at you with an outfits video today. I'm so excited about this video. I want to show you guys 5 simple outfits, but don't confuse simple with boring. They are going to be impactful, but by simple I mean not too much going on, not too many layers, not too much accessorizing, just a pulled together outfit with pieces that we probably all have in our wardrobe. Now let me talk about this first outfit. Is my blouse not gorgeous? I am very excited to tell you guys that this portion of the video is in partnership with LILYSILK. This gorgeous silk blouse is by LILYSILK. In my opinion, they are a very affordable label that does not skimp out on quality, because as we all know, silk is very expensive, but LILYSILK prices are just unbelievable if you ask me. This beautiful silk shirt in this pale blue color is just everything. I am in love with it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The way it catches the light, the way it moves on the body, the way it feels on the body. So this beautiful LILYSILK blouse is made out of mulberry silk, and mulberry silk absorbs moisture and is very breathable. You don't have to worry about it too much. You don't have to baby this silk. But LILYSILK not only offer beautiful blouses like this, they have pajamas, they have bedding, they have pillowcases. They also were kind enough to send me a pillowcase in this beautiful mulberry silk, which also has some beauty benefits that I wasn't even aware of. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase is actually anti-aging. Yes, my friends, you heard that correctly. It just doesn't cause all those wrinkles that normal cotton pillowcases cause you. Also, it doesn't tangle your hair, so it's very gentle on your hair. No snags, no wrinkles. And the pillowcase too, as I already mentioned, absorbs moisture and is breathable. And it feels so luxurious. It is so smooth and soft. And you know what? It promotes sleep. So you will have a better sleep with a silk pillowcase. Why did I not know about this sooner? I mean, I wake up in the morning now and I don't have those huge creases on my face. It is just the most gentle, beautiful way to lay your head on a pillow. I only wish I knew about it sooner because I may have looked even 5 years younger than I do now. But back to this blouse, you guys, I just am so in love with it. It is, you know, grade A quality mulberry silk, and you can feel it. You really can. It's just beautiful. You know, I wouldn't lead you guys astray. They were kind enough to provide me with a discount code for you guys, so I'll have it linked down below for you. This is just a beautiful, beautiful blouse, and you know how much I love my shirts and blouses. I always say it is my go-to outfit. Whenever I get up in the morning and I'm not sure of what to wear, I grab a blouse and a pair of denim, pair of shoe and a bag, and I'm done, and I always feel great, and I think it looks pretty stunning as well. I love the collar. It's just so neat and flattering, and I've left the cuffs undone and ruched up the sleeves a little bit. Paired with a tonal denim, I think they work together so well. I think the silk blouse makes the denim look good, and the denim makes the silk blouse look good. And always, when you're in doubt of what to wear, if you go for a real tonal look, like just choose one color or various shades of that color, there's really not much room for error when it comes to styling your outfits in that way. But I think the two of them together just make a beautiful pairing. And my shoes, I decided to, you know, elevate the outfit a little bit by wearing a little kitten heel, my gorgeous little French pumps that I thrifted for a total of $4, you guys. I think this shoe just lifts the denim, goes really well with the beautiful color of the silk blouse. If I pair just a simple black handbag, I think it just makes a very simple yet impactful outfit, and I feel very classy. I also feel this outfit is suitable for both work and play. So we've got a tonal outfit with black accessories. I love the way they make each other pop And I also love that, you know, the clothing is just all one color and then the accessories are all one color. I think although this is a really simple outfit, it's, you know, unexpected in a way, and that's how I like to dress. I just absolutely love it. I love my LILYSILK blouse. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And this, my friends, is outfit number 1. You guys, this is not outfit 2, but I just wanted to show you another piece I got from LILYSILK. It's this pretty cap sleeve top. I mean, it sits so beautifully. Look at this sleeve, the way it just juts out a little bit and creates such a beautiful flattering silhouette. It's in this amazing color again, and I had to get it because of my skirt. I already owned a skirt in this exact same color, and I had this idea of pairing them both together. So I'm so happy with the way it looks. The way this silk moves and catches the light, it's just so beautiful, and I do love it with this skirt. I absolutely love it. And I thought I could throw on a beautiful grey kind of silvery blazer. I absolutely love it. It's in a tweed and it's greyish silverish. It's just very beautiful, very boyish and man style, and I just love it paired with this blue. And also it matches my shoe. My shoes are by Philippi Modal, and I got these when I was in LA. They were a splurge purchase, I'm not going to lie, they were quite expensive. But they are in this beautiful vintage cracked leather. They're just so different, and I just love the way they look with the blue, and they pair nicely with the blazer. While this outfit is still very simple, I think it's just so sophisticated. So again, I have the all tonal look in this beautiful steel blue color, and then I have the silvery grey accents to pop against the outfit and add some contrast. The bag that I chose was my little suede bag that I thrifted a couple of weeks ago. It's vintage by Fajan, an amazing treasure find, and I think this bag just works beautifully with this outfit. So all the elements in this outfit are very cool toned, except for the chain on this bag, and I thought if I let my little signature heart locket show, it picks up the chain in my bag, so they go together, but then everything else is really cool toned. Somehow I think it just works. I wasn't even going to show you this, but I just had to because I'm so in love with my LILYSILK pieces. I really am. Alrighty, let's discuss outfit number 2. This is a black and white outfit. Black and white is also a pairing that I often reach for when I haven't a clue what to wear, when I'm not in the mood to, you know, be frou-frou and put so much effort into my outfit. Black and white is the go. It also gives me very Chanel vibes, just a combination that I think is so classic and timeless. Today I'm wearing a white button-up shirt with my Dedes trainers. I mean, I think this pairing is so cool and unexpected. If you've been watching my videos since the beginning, you will have seen this outfit or variations of this same outfit, because I have been rocking this look for so many years. I just love it. I feel so grounded. I feel so cool. I feel so comfortable. I feel like I've got it going on, you know, like I am so cool I don't have to try to be fashionable. That, my friends, is the power of a really cool outfit and how it can make you feel. It's the juxtaposition of a real business look on top with a real casual lounging around look on the bottom that just does it for me. I think this is such a cool outfit, you guys. If you haven't tried it, please try it. On my feet, I am wearing a pair of black and white high top Converse trainers. Black and white again, keeping in with the whole theme. Let's keep it casual with a black backpack. I love it. You know, the bag pops against the shirt. Tell me, you guys, are you feeling my vibe? Because I love it. And I've just tucked in one side of the shirt, and I just love the sleeves long and undone. I've just rolled up the cuff once so it doesn't cover my fingers, but that is it. That is my simple outfit. You could even wear this shirt all the way out, and just let it hang loose. So my friends, the next time you go to grab your track pants, don't go for that grey sloppy joe or that old sweatshirt. Go for a white button up, put it on and see how you feel, and you can thank me later. For outfit number 3, I decided to go with this very long oversized turtleneck that I got from H&M. My jeans are also H&M. They're black and you can barely see the jeans. They just poke out underneath this very long knit. So although this is kind of a shapeless look, I think it still works. You don't always have to be tucked in and buttoned up and cinched in. Sometimes it's kind of nice to wear loose clothing, voluminous shapes, different silhouettes. Let your body be comfortable, let it breathe, let it all be about the food that you're going to consume that day. This is that kind of outfit. You know, I feel warm and cozy in addition to being very comfortable. But to balance out the outfit, I went for my white little cowboy boots that I got last season from Kmart. These were only $29, my friends. $29 for a pair of boots that everybody asks me about whenever I wear them. I just love that they're white and they, you know, pop against the outfit. They have contrast black trimming, as does my bag. So the shoes and the bag are in the exact same color palette. White with a black contrast trim. This one was only 25 bucks from TK Maxx. And again, it's long and crossbody. So we've got, you know, all long kind of elements in this outfit, which I think, you know, gives the illusion of a longer body, even though I don't have a longer body. I'm only 5'2". So I guess what I'm trying to say with this outfit is don't be afraid of those oversized knits. You know, make sure you get the balance right with your jeans and how, you know, long the sweater is. If you think it's too long, you know, find a shoe with a little bit of elevation, bring some other long elements into it, and it looks quite intentional. Still a simple outfit, but yet, you know, a little unexpected. And again, I always like to make sure that my bag pops against my outfit. I just love that. I would not wear a black bag with this outfit. It would just get hidden. The white bag makes the outfit pop. The outfit makes the white bag pop. I would wear black shoes if I wanted an all tonal outfit, but I would still go for a bag that pops. That's just the way I like to dress and is more impactful, if you know what I mean. So still very simple styling. It's just the way you put it together, maybe reaching for something that you normally would not reach. Alrighty, my friends, let's talk about outfit number 4. This plaid dress. You guys, if I tell you how old this plaid dress is, you won't believe me. It's more than 10 years old. I got it when I was in Hawaii with my son. I was still married at the time, so that's more than 10 years. Oh my God, it's been that long. This is a dress that I wear over and over again. I've never gotten sick of it. It is just a very plain, sleeveless shift dress. I really love the colors of the plaid, very earthy, and I've decided to pair my vintage grandpa cardi with this dress. Because the dress is kind of short, I wanted a piece of outerwear that was longer than the dress to give it, you know, a little bit of balance. I don't want to show too much leg. And also I love the vintage vibes of this cardigan with the, you know, lumberjack vibes of the dress. Again, the juxtaposition, I just love it. The colors are working together, so you've got a beautiful soft latte color which goes with the colors of the dress. The dress is black, cream and a darker brown, but because the browns are all earthy and in the same color spectrum, I think they work. The shoe that I've chosen to make this look unexpected is my chunky tractor boot that I got from H&M. These boots I have worn to death. They are so comfortable. They are the best 50 bucks I ever spent. I love the way they look with this dress. The dress is quite short, so I needed a boot, but I didn't want to go for my brown boot because then it would look too country, too lumberjack. I wanted something a little bit more tougher to, you know, juxtapose the outfit, and I think it's just so cute. Now the bag that I've chosen is my beloved Leona Edmiston bag. I have one in red also. I have worn these to death. I'm still not over them. I love the shape. I love the black and white polka dot lining. They're just gorgeous. You can carry them in your hand. You can carry them over your shoulder or crossbody. I think although there are a lot of different elements going on, you've got, you know, very chic and very lumberjack, very vintage and very tough. However, I think they all work together. They all balance each other out. They all make each other pop. My bag and my shoes are block black and they tie in together nicely. Just a shift dress with a cardigan and some boots and an unexpected bag. Who would have thought that such simple pieces could come together to create such a, unique outfit. Alrighty, my friends, this is my outfit number 5. I think this is such an effortlessly stylish outfit. It's maybe my favorite one. I'm not sure. I pretty much love them all. Basically, I am wearing a grandpa collared shirt and I've just left it out nice and loose. I just do a couple of buttons. So I like to create a kind of deep V and then leave it a little open on the bottom too, so that when I put my hand in my pocket, it creates a kind of different silhouette. I just think it's more flattering that way. My hat is one that I got from Hawaii. It's an Urban Outfitters wool hat and it's grey, so it's picking up the grey stripe in my shirt. This shirt is thrifted, by the way, a couple of bucks, I can't remember. And on the bottom I'm wearing a pair of black trousers that were probably the best buy I have ever bought from H&M, along with my black tractor boots. I like the contrast of my beat up white high top Converse trainers with the, dressier kind of trouser pant. They kind of hide underneath the pant. You can't even tell they're a high top trainer. And I like that they're white because they pick up the white in my grey and white striped shirt. So all the elements in this outfit have a very relaxed vibe. The shirt's undone, the trousers are loose and uncuffed, the trainers beat up, and then you have a kind of boho hat, which I think just lifts the outfit. And I thought for the bag, I would wear my white crossbody bag that has a black canvas strap. So the black and white pick up the black and white elements of my outfit, and then also to take this outfit to another level, because we are in very cold weather and a shirt just won't suffice at the moment. Throw a black knit over my shoulders, nice and casual, and by just doing that, it makes the outfit look just so stylish and pulled together, even though we're wearing all very simple pieces in a very undone way. It just all together works. It's unexpected, it's unique, it's cool, it's comfortable, it's warm. I am all about this outfit. I think it is just so cute. So cute. So my friends, that brings us to the end of this video. Those are my 5 simple but impactful outfits pulled together with pieces that all of us should have in our wardrobe. It's just how we put them together, choosing something unexpected rather than go for that predictable item that we know works but doesn't really, make an impact, if you know what I mean. So just think contrast, juxtaposition. Also, it needs to flow and work well together, and everything needs to complement each other. That's just how I style myself. I just hope I've given you some inspiration. I would also like to thank LILYSILK for sponsoring a portion of this video. Remember guys, I will have all the items from LILYSILK that I have linked down below. Also, the discount code and all the information about the brand will be linked down below also. That wraps up this video, my friends. I really hope you guys enjoyed the relaxed vlog style, and I really hope I see you in my next one.